press 3. Blacks out 5-door, can't see me. 0 to 60 in 3.3. What you gonna do? You can't catch me.
What is good, everyone? DSG Panther here. Today we are going to be doing the first POV drive in the little poo box. I don't want to swear on YouTube, but yeah, we're doing the first POV drive in the Fabia. I have actually sorted out this bit here because this was missing, and yeah, just shout out to, I forgot the boy's name. I actually feel bad now, but shout out to the boy that sorted me out with this because I needed this top bit because this was sticking out. And yeah, so we've sorted it in here a little bit. I've got a new gear knob coming, that is all pending. This all needs a hoover in here, so anyone that does detailing for inside cars, there's no point doing the outside because the paint is horrible, but if you can do detailing inside, it needs a whole detail. I'll do a whole video with you. Yeah, just shout me if you do. But yeah, so let's actually get it started. There you go. Battery's a little bit low because I'm gonna be sitting with that on, but yeah, starts first time. As you can see, it is the beta. It's the biggest beta ever, but we have got new bits ordered for it now. There's wheels to the right which I have ordered, which you see on my Instagram. But yeah, the body panels aren't too bad. We've got the odd wheel. All the wheels are going to be changing. We've got new calipers as well. We've got on the side of the car, which is nice. But yeah, there's no lock on this side. I don't know why, but it still locks, but there's no lock popping up. I'm not sure why. It has got Brembo calipers, as you know, on the front. Polo is sitting there because it's sexy. And I've actually got, I need someone, if anyone's got the front grille and also the number plate bit that clips around here, please let me know. And the front grille at the bottom, I need all of that, which I will buy straight away off you guys. Inside, it's not too bad. I've got some new mats in the boot as well, so that's going to be sorted. But yeah, man, it's getting there. We're doing little bits to it. It's got deep idle mapped into it, which I didn't actually know, so shout out to you lot for letting me know. Deep idle and popcorn limiter and stage 1 with EGR valve delete, and I believe it is straight pipes with a D-cat, so it sounds heavy. You can hear the turbo whistling away, which is diesel thing in it. But yeah, let's get out for a little drive. Let's head down the road, and I'm not gonna rag it too much because it's not really ready yet. Just letting it warm up a little bit also. But yeah, it's the little daily. There's no need to be ragging it too hard. But yeah, further ado, let's get out on it. Let's go for a little drive. Yeah, so we've got a couple lights on the dash, but we've actually only got one. It's just the ABS light. If anyone is good with Fabias, please let me know what the common issues are for an ABS light. I've been told it could be ABS pump or something, someone said to me. I'm not too sure. I've never really heard of that. I'm not really into the Fabias, as you guys know, so yeah, just let me know what that means. But yeah, man, it's pretty sick in here. It's not too bad. Everything works. So it's for £800, you can't go wrong with this car, man. See, look, it locks. Yeah, we need a new rim mirror because that is all cracked and corroding. So if you've got new glass, please let me know. I need a new steering wheel if you do have one. New seats, ideally want the leather seats, because then I want to get heated seats mapped into it, so pretty cool. But yeah, let's just go for a little drive. As I said, we're not going to be ragging it too much. It still needs a service. I've got all the suspension parts now, so if anyone can fit suspension parts for me, lower arms, wishbones, etc., please let me know as well. Yeah, and I need the wheels and calipers fitted, so if anyone's got that stuff and can fit them for me as well, please let me know in the comments. I will fully sponsor you guys and put you guys in the video and on the car stickers wise as well. Yeah, let's go. But yeah, man, look, it's a cool little car, and a lot of you people said I can't drive diesels. Trust me, I can drive manual. You lot said DSG can't drive manuals. Trust me, boys, I am active in the manual. You can't chat to me. Like, Tom will vouch, I can drive manual. I can drive manual any day of the week, man. So let's take it for a little spin. And yeah, man, I do love this car. It's a goonie car, man, but it's such a sick little car. And the amount of people that I've met through this car recently on Instagram, all with Fabias, it's cool, man. So we need to, any Fabia boys, let's get a link up going. And yeah, if you got a Fabia, just DM me on Instagram, and we'll get a link up going sometime next month, once I've got all the suspension work sorted. And then yeah, man, we can go for a tear, go for a little drink, I don't know, have a little vibe. All the Fabia boys, I'll be somewhere towards up north because I know a lot of you guys live up north anyway. So but yeah, I don't know if you can get an Apple CarPlay unit for this car. If you can, please let me know, because this needs an Apple CarPlay unit so badly. It's actually just like horrible how much it needs an Apple CarPlay unit. Like, there's not much helping you in terms of driving it, which is why I love this, because it's so scatty. You can literally just drive like a knob for no reason. But yeah, so I believe, don't quote me on this, I believe it's stage 1. Well, it is definitely stage 1. It's stage something. Stage 1 with the EGR valve delete, deep idle, popcorn limiter. It's got no front mount intercooler upgraded, so it would be cool to get an upgraded intercooler on it. See what power we can push. Hopefully stage 2. I do want to put a new clutch in it, upgraded RTS clutch, just for safety anyway. So if anyone knows what the best clutches are to put in these for, I don't want stupid power like stage 2 and all that. I just want a decent clutch that's reliable. Obviously this is an old car, so it's going to need a new turbo at some point. New turbo, not new turbo, it's going to need a new clutch at some point. So yeah, if you've got any of that or know the best one, oh yeah, that's cool, isn't it? You fucking knobhead. Oh, GT3 RS, yeah. Oh, that was leng. What? Did you see that? I messed up my gear change for that car, bro. That was sick. But yeah, let's give it a little. It is so quick. It is actually naughty how quick this car is, man. As I said, I'm not gonna rag it too much, but oh my god, it just pulls so hard through all gears. I think it needs a new mount somewhere, gearbox mount or something like that. But oh my god, like it just, all the smoke comes out as well. Yeah, man. This is literally the Chava whip. Honestly, I might get a stun strip on it and just say Chava whip. Like, it's actually sick how cool this car is, man. It's literally the little Chava whip. And if you don't know what Chava means, it's kind of like an up north saying. They all say they're Chavas. So, and obviously the Fabia VRS is quite a up northy car, and they love a Fabia VRS up north. So yeah, man, it's sick. I actually love this car too much. I'm so happy that we got one of these on the channel, because it's going to be worth it for the content long term. Yeah, just watch the videos on this, because it's gonna be sick, man. So yeah, but let's get the popcorn going. It's actually sick. I actually love it. It's too hard, man. It is too hard. It's actually too hard. For a little Fabia, this thing is actually sick. Nah, honestly, don't chat to me. This is active. I actually love this car. It's such a sick car. They're so underrated as well. Like, I know the PD130 is not underrated, but yeah, man, it's such a sick little thing. It needs some TLC, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying this is by far the perfect. This is not the perfect Fabia you can buy. But for the money and for the little project build, and you can see the alignment is hella out, but for the project build, this is the perfect little project car for the channel. Like, you actually can't go wrong with it, and it looks like they've closed the road that I was going to go down, so we're just going to head back to my area now. But yeah, man. It's actually sick. It pulls so hard. The 60. What? Look at all the smoke. Oh my god, I love this thing, man. This is too funny, bro. Look at this goon, bro. Come on H6. Let's go, boy. When someone sits up to your arse, you just stick it in fourth and you just put your foot down. Like, look. Are you ready? Look what? Look at the smoke. Look at all the smoke. Watch the smoke. Watch the smoke. Watch the smoke. Oh my god, I'm loving this too much. It's actually funny. Oh my god. It's actually such a good little car, man. I just love the smoke. I don't even care about if it's quick or not. It's just the smoke. I've never had a diesel before and just chuck out smoke like that. It's just too active. It's actually the I can't even explain it, man. It's not an expensive car, but if you want a good car for £1,000, I can't recommend anything else. I've driven this 3 hours back from Wales, and I've driven it to work a couple of times and not had one problem with it. Yes, I feel like the clutch might be on its way out, but I don't really drive manuals like that, so I can't really tell. And if it does need a new clutch with flywheel, it's on 185k miles. It's going to need a bit of TLC either way. But the main bit for me is just getting the suspension sorted, and then obviously once we've got that sorted, we can then go from there. So it handles half decent. Bear in mind, everything's corroded on this car, so it's actually handling all right. But the alignment is naff. It's just, you know, goes where it wants to go. But yeah, it's cool, man. I'm loving it. Thank you guys for watching. This is the first little POV drive. It's not too in depth. I don't want to go in depth yet. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you liked and subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys in the next Fabia video. Peace.
I'm in an RS3, blacked out 5-door, can't see me. 0 to 60 in 3.3. What you gonna do? You can't catch me. Try chat on my name, then my boys don't get ya. Try to do that, you're right there, ya.